Okay. So previously I had used LaGrange Point Interpolation in another YouTube video that I had made, and I'll show you. We can go back here and search. I think I typed it like that, yeah. And I was able to make these tracks, you know, and I just thought that was cool. And I figured, why not give ChatGPT a chance to make this for me? And so it made some code, and I figured I'd hop on stream and give it a try. So we have this, what's this one? Block init Brownian? Okay, so, and then I made an init new block that goes with it. Okay. So let's try a new one, block init LaGrange track, and we'll see what we have to do to get this to work. Excuse me. Okay. And then where are we at? Main brown tree snowflake. Okay. So this one, we're just going to include the same stuff, same class, only instead of brownie in here, we'll just space, blocks, one, block, init, LaGrange track. There we go. So this is a lot easier because last stream I spent a lot of time troubleshooting just moving over to this particular code here, but I think we've got a lot of that ironed out, so I just need the block positions, and I've even got the way to do that with the block index and everything. So this is the init new block. I don't think we need to use that, right? We could probably use something similar, and so let's see what we got. So where is this? One way to accomplish this. Okay, so it's actually, did I copy the code? Let's copy the code. It's actually this generate control points, and then doesn't look that complicated. Generate random XY coordinates for the control points. Apply difficulty factor to the control points. Number of track points. And then placing the voxels. So let's see what we get. I have no idea what's going to happen. So what we want to do in the function is call these other functions and then call the final function place voxels. It doesn't look like the place voxels returns anything. It just calls this place voxel function, which isn't provided. So that's actually kind of perfect, because now we can just use that as, okay, let me figure this out. So let's take the whole thing. Wait, just for starters, let's take the whole thing and paste it right in here. So this part right here, which was main before, I'm going to take that out. And that's going to be our LaGrange track. I don't know if this is quite LaGrange. Generate control points, generate track points, place voxels. Alright, computer, I'm not sure what we're doing, but... So there we go. So, wait, where are we at? Where are we at? So the first function we come to is generate control points. What is this auto? See what it says. Really? Oh, that's cool. That's kind of handy. I didn't know that that was a thing. What won't they think of next? So that automatically determines the type. That's cool. That's cool. Okay. Interesting. Okay, so generate control points is a function that we want to just... Actually, it's right here, but we want to copy this declaration up here, like that. And then we want to go here, void block 1, and then we'll just put the code in there. We don't need the includes there. So it's gonna, this is exactly, I can just copy this exactly. Pretty sure we don't need anything else. Okay, that's pretty cool. Generate track points. Alright, so now let's go like this. So, same kind of thing, I just need to copy this here. Declaration up into the class. That's a bit longer, so let's cut that right here so that we can see. Do we want to do it quite to that? Yeah, let's do it like that. That's fine. And just because of this funky, let's do it like this. So now we know that generate control points takes those two, generate track points takes those two. That way it looks a little bit cleaner, I think. Easier on the eyes. Okay. So then generate track points. So now we're going to take this. Actually, we're just going to copy the whole thing. In this case, ChatGPT has done all of the coding for me. Generate control points. Why did I put void up there? It's not a void. I thought something looked a little different for whatever I was. That's why I should have just copied it. Just like the other one. Okay, block init. So the track place voxels. Is the next one. So we're going to just copy this one. Exactly. Let's copy it and move it up. And just get it out of the way here. So since we're going to declare it and all that fun stuff right up here. So let's go here. Foop. Foop. Like that. Now that one is a void. That's fine. And we're just going to go block 1. So place voxel. So now what we're going to do is we're going to use our previous function, I believe. Init new block, grid point equals floor, all that. Found equal block index, temp position equals. So let's just go init new block and we'll send in the point. And it's just doing the XY points, which is cool because it's a track and I didn't think of that, but yeah. So we'll comment that out and then we'll just go init, new block, and then what is it? Init new block takes a vector 3. Right, that's okay. So we want it to be x plus I, comma y plus j. Oops. Plus j, comma. Or actually we want the y to be just like 1. And then the z coordinate is going to be that. Y plus j. And then we don't need to place voxel. And then we got a init new block. That is slick. Are we done? I think we're done. That's crazy. Let's see how this works. I really am skeptical. So we've got 1,000 track points. And then, so generate track points. Control point size. Okay, so how big? Well, it'll only do 20,000 points and then it'll stop, right? Because I've got temp block at 20,000. And then is that hard coded into the... Yeah, right there. Okay, so let's just see. Because what are we doing? This one, and I already, actually, I'm just using the same... Whoops, we're not using that one. We're using this one. Same class, just a different initialization. Oh, we got errors. Why am I not surprised, I guess? Let's go to the first one, initializing from that to that, possible loss of data. What's going on? X point first times, oh, these are integers. Did not realize that. That's probably the other, yeah. No, still errors. Let's see what we got. Whoops, what'd we do? Oh. Still errors. What do we got? What computer? Did I type it again without the S? I am just... Consistently making the same mistake. Oh. Whoops, go back here. Show me 7. What? Is this? Ba, ba, da, 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 ba, ba. No other voxels anywhere? I don't see. Okay, so I don't think that was, yeah. I was wondering. So I know when I used hold on. Wait. Ba, ba, ba. Ba, da, da, do, ba. Ba, da, 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 do, ba. Computer, I don't believe you now. You know, I kind of wondered, so this is it right here? What? Control points. Ba, 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 ba. 10 control points. Ba, 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 ba. So how does it generate the control points? Like, so in this case there's 10. Generate random XY coordinates for the control points rand divided by rand max. X times difficulty. Control points. Oh. That's why. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, bum, bum. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Because that's a really small track generation there. So random points. So let's just make the difficulty like 2. The difficulty's 2. Uh-oh. We broke it. Computer? No? I don't see any. Bum, 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 bum. Why is it printing stuff? That's kind of cool, but what is it printing? Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Oh, that's when I was troubleshooting the I am GUI stuff that was all messed up. Why did my cursor change? Bum, 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 bum. Now it's changed back. Bum, 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 bum. I don't see any voxels anywhere, computer. What's going on? Look all around. What does the 7 key do, by the way? Hold on. Here. So where's the initialization stuff? Let's just put it right here. So that didn't work. Maybe because they're drawn too far away or something, I don't know. Oh, that's kind of cool. Oh, now at least we're getting a track. How far does it go? This is a 20 difficulty. This is pretty cool. So it said that the width of the track should be like 8 or whatever. But it looks like it's more. The width of this looks like there's 2 tracks together, and way back at the beginning it looked like they were like, you know. Whoops, am I turned around? Which way am I going? Is this the end? Cool. Okay, this isn't the LaGrange interpolation that I remember. This is just a track, which is cool, but whoa, here we go. See, it gives you an equation, so You could substitute the generate track points function by the above equation if you want to use LaGrange interpolation. Ask him to refactor that code. It's very tempting at this point, actually. I didn't like those for loops. Yeah. Here's an example of how you could generate the track using LaGrange interpolation with 4 points at a time and place the voxels along the track. Well, he did generate a track, I can show you earlier, just the real simple code. We have a track. I switched it up. Apologies for the white screen there. Oh, this one's different. Oh, this one actually looks like it. This is the track. Okay, this is the track. I need to move faster too. Okay, well, it's working on that. Let's make it go faster. Where's the camera speed? Here's camera speed here. That might be way too fast. It's a little better. Look at this. Okay, cool. Can't you add a button to speed up and speed down? Actually, that would be a good idea. So this is not bad, actually. And then you come around here and you're just like this. So let's do this too, because I want to know, I know it's still working on it, but hold on just a sec. I want to see. So after that finishes, I want to see how many voxels. It's an integer. Is that the right? Init new block, block underscore little I index. Okay, sorry. So after it generates those, are you using any engine? Just OpenGL and starter code from learnopengl.com. Let's see. What is this one? Oh, cool. Look at this. See, okay, so it's kind of... I could see this being a track. Okay, that's cool. We're getting there. But, oh, oh shoot, I didn't see how many blocks it generated. I should have just... See, now let me look at the track. Where's it at? Where's it at? See, it's just, yeah. This is why I was saying 4 points at a time, so we'll get through a bunch of points, because this looks like it's interpolated between 1, 2, and 3 points, and that's it. So 8296, that's how many voxels that was? Okay, let's see what he came up with. Min X. Oh, look at this. Min Max. Interesting. This function uses LaGrange interpolation function that I provided in the previous response to interpolate the y coordinate of the track, the x coordinates of the track term iterating from the minimum and x coordinate of the maximum control points with fixed step size. Important notes this. Code creates a sub control points vector and uses 4 points at a time. Sub control points vector and uses 4 points at a time. Oh, LaGrange interpolation sub control points. Track width, please. This is done by repeating the process for each 4 control points until all control points are processed. Keep in mind that this is just one way to implement the track generation using LaGrange interpolation with voxels. You might need to make adjustments to the code to fit your specific requirements. Also, it's important to note that if you increase the number of points used to generate the track, the code will become less efficient because more computation will be required, blah blah blah. Okay. So does this actually work then? So it takes x num points and the vector and it returns a result? Double y. Oh, I see here. So it's just okay. Oh, this one I just asked it for the equation. Okay. Interesting. And it gave me a function. Not just I was just looking for the equation, but because I've done this before, but yeah. So this would be place voxels control points. Control points equals that. Track points equals that. Place voxels. Track points, track width. So is it... It looks like it would replace the looks like we don't even need the track points then. Here, let's go like this. So we generate the control points. And then, so this is, and then we put this one in. As another function. Oh, I see, that's why. Because it's block 1 in here, but it's block 2, or blocks in the main function. Okay, that's why I keep doing that. Alright. So next would be putting in the place voxels. Okay, so this is replacing the place voxels previously. So we'll call this place voxels LaGrange. Okay. Place voxels LaGrange. Bum, 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 bum. And then when we're down here in the this part right here, generate control points. Oh, and we're just going to jump straight to place voxels LaGrange, since it wants the control points. And then control points track width. So the other one had generated track points based on the control points. I'm confused. Does it know that it's skipping a step here? Let's see what we get. Oh, we get errors is what we get. Uh-oh. Just show me the first error. Place voxel. Identifier enough. Oh, in what one? Place voxels LaGrange. Oh. Right. So in the last one we had to replace it with this. Bum 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 bum. VOXEL X. Okay. VOXEL Y. We don't need that. That's good. Okay. Oh, looks like it went through, so let's see what it generates now. Of course, I really don't have any code for generating a computer. Is it working, or are we're dead? Oh, it reached the maximum 20,000 voxels. Hold up. Whoa, what a... I was just going to say, because the track points are kind of not specified how we should generate those. Like further and further out from each other, so we got a little knot. Okay, that makes sense. That makes sense. Let's see. See if it's keen to that question. Yes, it's possible to generate the control points so they continually head away from the starting point to avoid knots in the track. Unless you want to add a 3D value to the calculation based on whether or not the track is generating an overlapping segment. One way to accomplish this, would be to generate the control points with a random angle, distance and height, but to limit the angles to those that point away from the previous point. You would also need to add a check for overlap before adding new points. Here's an example of a modified version of the generate control points function that generates the control points that continually head away from the starting point with a random angle, distance, and 3D value. I'm down for that. Generate control points LaGrange. Bum, 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 bum. Sounds good, computer. The above code generates the control points that continually head away from the starting point with a random angle, distance, and 3D value. The angle is limited to values that point away from the previous point, and it is calculated by adding a random angle in the range negative pi over 4 to the previous angle. It's also possible to add a check to the code to see if the track is generating an overlapping segment. This way the code can add more segments in the track if that's the desired behavior. Keep in mind that generating control points this way only ensures the control points will be heading away from the start, not overlapping. It doesn't take care of the full track. Interesting. It doesn't take care of the full track, resulting in an interesting and fun track. A good game designer should consider other aspects such as terrain, elevation, turns, straightaways. Oh. Alright, we'll give it a try. And I appreciate the feedback. Give me feedback. So, this is kind of fun. We're just generating code. It just keeps going. So generate control points. We're going to call this block 1 LaGrange. Okay. And now when we do the first generate control points, I'm going to change that to LaGrange. Does it still use just num control? No, I forgot to even check the variables there, but I guess we're good, right? Yeah. Let's try that. Oh, we got errors. What do we get? Illegal qualified name in member declaration? Really? Why? I wonder why. Can we just call it generate CPL? I wonder what that's all about. Probably has to do with function names. Wait, undeclared identifier? Oh, m_pi? Hold on, I can fix that. I think that's part of some... I think that'll fix that part, but let's see what errors pop up. Oh. Illegal qualified name in member declaration. What's going on? Why? Oh, duh, because I put it up there too. I'm an idiot. Alright. Now what? Now what? STD make pair. No matching overloaded function found. What? Generate CPL. What's the other one? Generate. Oh, XYZ. And the error is that's awesome. Let's just put it inside here. And then push back XYZ. Oh, wait. Don't put it there. Because it's... So this one... See, so that changes this... Hold on. So it's a vector 0.3D. Right, okay, cool. Let's take this with me. Let's fix this stuff here. We have to fix a bunch of stuff here now with this, but... Okay, so that is the declaration that replaces that. This... pushback right here. Foop. Okay. And then it returns the control points. So those are going to be a vector of... Oh, that's cool. STD pair double. So this is just going to be a 0.3D return. So generate CPL is going to return 0.3D. Control points. So down here when we call the function, init LaGrange track, control points, auto control points. Okay, so that'll detect that. Place Voxel's LaGrange control points. So that is going to place Voxel's LaGrange. Okay, so right here, that's going to take 0.3D. will that mess this up here because control points... Did that fix it? Oh boy, we got more errors than ever now. Point 3D, undeclared identifier. Oh. Is that because it's should it be down here instead? But I thought this was the type name. That's the name of the actual instance. I don't want that. So do I have to qualify this with like that? Okay. And then here we can use, that's inside the function, so that can use point 3D right there. So does this have to be like that? Okay, it likes that. Alright. I'm learning, I'm getting it. And then what's that one? LaGrange interpolation. Oh, that might be something we have to fix as well. Hold on. Let's take a look. Init Brownian. Okay. And then this part, I think that's fine because it takes a 3D point. Okay, so let's look at this again. Generate CL num control points. Auto control points. Okay. Plays voxels LaGrange takes control points. Okay. So plays voxels LaGrange. Just making sure I got this right. So that's going to take the control points, and that's a vector. Okay. And then control points, it'll go through, do all this. Any other function calls? Yes. LaGrange interpolation sub control points, which is creating here. But that's fine because it is a legit pair, and that was what that was. Okay. And then a new block is also sending in that there, and that's fine. Okay, so does that fix stuff? No. We have a lot of errors. Overloaded. Oh, because I didn't place voxels LaGrange. Because I didn't change it up here. Okay. First is not a member of block 1. Oh, that's probably going to be the first error. Hold on. Yeah, I know. In the place voxels function, the following line, control points first. Oh, is that it? So first is X, oh, like that? Okay, hold on. And then what? Wait, let's see. In the place voxels function, but that's going to be place voxels of LaGrange, right? What it's talking about. Okay, so control points. First is X. This is a double-double. Oh, well, let's change this. Okay. How is another error going to pop up? All right. All right. Okay, so this LaGrange interpolation will have to be fixed as well now. There we go. So, and then the points that come in first, that's going to be X. Second, so that's going to be Y. So where else does it use first and second? I don't see. Also the generate control points function. Generate control points. It's not in there. Okay. We might have it. We're getting closer. A lot less errors, that's good. What does it say? Cannot convert argument 3 from block point. Oh, wait, what? Oh, did I forget to change the, LaGrange interpolation up here? I forgot to change. We're getting there, one step at a time. Oh, it compiled. This is what happened before when it made the track. That was pretty good, and then it made 20,000 of them. Sorry for the white screen. Whoa. Oh. Computer. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Beautiful. Oh, this is exactly what I wanted. This is exactly what I wanted. You know how long this would have taken me to do by myself? Not an hour. Holy shirt. Look at this. This is awesome. Okay, I don't even need to go to the end of the track. We're just gonna hit the that is awesome. The Brownian thing, that was okay. This LaGrange point, because now I want to make a racer. Shoot. So I have another idea here. As we're placing the voxels down, init new block, right? Track width, so I goes from there to there. Because wouldn't it be cool to have, how would we do that? So the init block function just places one block, checks for everything, and then does that, yeah. So let's see if we can pass in, because I is going to go from what? If track width is 8, I goes from -4 to +4, right? And J is the same way. So let's say the middle 3, like if I is -1, 0, or 1, it would be a different color. So then we need to, when we init the new block, we need to pass in I and J, like that. But let's call it init new block LaGrange, because we only want to change it. So we'll make a copy of init new block, and then we'll call it init new block LaGrange, and we'll include those two extra variables. Init new block. Bum 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 bum. Okay, position point, check a point already exists. Bum bum. If found equal block, okay, so right here in the color. So if I is greater than or equal to -1, and I is less than or equal to 1, and J is greater than or equal to -1, and J is less than or equal to 1, let's use that red color. Otherwise, actually, let's use the red color on the outside, and then we'll use red, green. Let's go blue on the inside. Bum 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 bum. Init new block. Actually, let's just go here and go like this. Okay, does that do it? Init new block LaGrange. Hi Drazer, what's up, sir? Good timing. Good timing. I just finished this. Check this out, dude. ChatGPT just made a track for me here, in a voxel track based on the LaGrange Point Interpolation. Oh, nice. It's only the so it sets the points, and then I got it, they were all clumped together, so I had it set the points far away from each other. And yeah, I'm doing a little racing game, I decided. So why doesn't it go the length of the whole track here, though? With this, the blue is in the center. It's only on those two. How come it's not even on the first ones? I want to know. I want. I wonder if it's the way that it's interpolating it. But anyways, let's do a clash, bro. Let's do a clash. Wait, what? Biden aides find second batch of classified documents? What? What's going on? What's going on? I know, I don't want to know. I legit don't want to know. Hindrazer! Oh, we got whale! Yes! We got whale. What's up, guys? I'm just in a good mood because that track looks really cool, so I'm excited to work with that. Next I gotta put decorations around it and have a background. Ba, ba, ba. Ba, 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 ba. Dude, it's figured it out. Less than a minute. Or wait, what? Now I'm really confused. Hacks. $593, $240. Bum 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 ba dun 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 dun. Bum ba dun 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 dun. Bum bum ba da da bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum. Bum bum bum. Bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum. That's a low note. I don't even know if that comes across. That's a wrong note. Hide your ears and cover your eyes. No. Bum 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 bum. Dun 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 bum 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 bum. I literally have no clue. There's something. Don't look. It's gonna go all white again. No. Well, there's something. Oh yeah, it's the way it's interpolating or whatever it's doing. Interesting. Alright, we're gonna have to figure out something else. Oh, I see. Yeah, see this way. Interesting. I'll be right back. The announcement Is it in the Discord? Nothing new here. I saw on LinkedIn. No, they put the announcements here. They will launch a newer version, ChatGPT 4. Oh, psh. It's not available to the public. It's hugely expensive. ChatGPT 3 and above. Oh, you guys, what did you? What in the ASM? Is that a register? Call get char. That's awesome. Compare what? 69,420? What? What in the world? Jump if greater than to the end. And is this is the amount that Pirate Software has for his donation goal in the in his Twitch stream. Otherwise, move RCX to RAX. Subtract that from, okay, increase. Move that to there. Multiply. Jump loop. Oh, so it's like, okay, that's like a conditional loop thing. And then RDI. Interesting, yeah. Okay, call printf. Dude, that's cool. I understand the C assembly language inline more than I do this. L digits map I plus 1 plus I reduce. Oh. Okay, but I'm done though, guys. I just wanted to do this with the LaGrange Point thing and chalk up another thing to ChatGPT. Yeah. Thanks for the clash, though. Thanks for the inline assembly, too. That's interesting. Look for me again at another random time. I just got a job. I got a job as a security guard at the local casino, so I won't be streaming. I might actually be streaming at a regular time around that job, so I might be a little bit more regular. Maybe I will have a schedule, but yeah, I don't start for another week and a half, so I can still work on game dev and stuff and see how that goes. So, anyways, thanks, guys. I'm not going to raid anybody. We're just going to end the stream. So, take it easy. Watch out for that expensive ChatGPT stuff.